This is an instructional video on how to complete your center called multiplying by multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 can be thought of as any number you say out loud when skip counting by tens. For example, 10 is a multiple of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 are all multiples of 10. The first step you need to complete in your center is to match your puzzle pieces. When you complete them, they will look something like this. After you have completed the puzzle pieces part of this center activity, you will need to record what you know about each fact. For example, I have the above fact, 3 times 40 equals 120. In order to record what I know, first I'm just going to write down the fact. So under the heading fact, I'm going to record 3 times 40 equals 120. I'm going to label the two factors because I know 3 and 40 in this sense are factors. And I'm going to label my product or total of 120. So I'm going to write product, and then in parentheses I'm going to write total. All right, now I'm going to show how I came to my answer of 120 using repeated addition. So I know if I needed to, I could solve 3 times 40 by adding 40 3 times. So under my repeated addition, I'm going to record it vertically. I'm going to write 40 plus 40 plus 40, and I'm going to show with this repeated addition that the answer is still 120. So when I have 0 plus 0 plus 0, I know my sum is still 0. And I know 4 plus 4 plus 4 is going to give me 12. So you can see even with repeated addition, my answer and my total is still 120. Now I'm going to use the simple trick we learned in class. I know that when I have a problem where I'm multiplying by a multiple of 10, such as 3 times 40, I can first multiply the two numbers that are not 0. In this case, 3 and 4 are not 0. So I can complete 3 times 4 first. When I do 3 times 4, I get a product of 12. So I'm going to record 12 in my answer spot. Now, the trick part of this is to take this 0 and add it on to the end of the product I got before. When I do that, I still get the same answer of 120.